An order form is a common business document, and it's basically where a business sends a request to a supplier for the delivery of goods. So in this case, the business might be asking one of its suppliers, can we order 20 jumpers and 100 belts? So the identifying information is, again, the business at the name at the top is actually the business making the request. That's actually going to be potentially the customer who issues that document. The name underneath will be the supplier, so the business who potentially will be actually providing the goods. We'll have a list of the goods down the bottom, and we'll have the date as well. One thing that probably won't be on an order is the amount. You can see here it's just got quantities. TGS Clothing Supplies is asking Central Clothing Supplies, do you have 20 jumpers and 100 belts? The issue of price hasn't arisen yet. Looking at whether we need to actually process a transaction for an order, we don't. There's actually no financial transaction yet at this point. There's no legal contract, just if you ring up and say, can I order something? And the amount of goods might not even be stated, so we didn't actually see a price on the previous order form. So how can that possibly be a legal transaction? Importantly, the order can actually be changed. So whilst we ask for 20 jumpers and 100 belts, the supplier might actually say there's only 18 jumpers and 70 belts. So we don't have a legal transaction if the amounts haven't been agreed upon yet. So when does it become an actual legal accounting document? Well, basically once the goods are delivered. And once the goods are delivered, there'll either be a receipt or an invoice issued. So from a standpoint of an order form, we don't actually need to do anything. We're not going to record a transaction.